Are you looking for a modern 2-bedroom house smack in the middle of Kingston? One that's located stone throw away from the Ligani Business District, where we have a lot of amenities like supermarket, banks, medical supplies, all of that. One that's close to the University Hospital. One that's close to the Hope Botanical Gardens and the Hope Zoo. And if that's not enough, one that's minutes away from Bob Marley Museum. Additionally, one that has a swimming pool on compound, one that has a laundry area inside the house itself, you know, one that has 2-bedroom ensuite bathrooms and then a half bathroom to it. One that when you go out on the balcony, you get to see the view of the mountains and the hills, and you just get one with nature, with a fresh breeze and all of that. If all of that is what you're looking for, then I think I have the perfect apartment to show you. So let's continue watching. And remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social media pages, and let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Welcome guys to this 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom complex here in Kingston, Jamaica. Right now we're in the kitchen, which you can see is big and bright and spacious, and it has high ceilings, it has tiled floors, it has this gray cabinetry, which I absolutely love. For those of you that know me or don't know, I love a good gray and white combination, and the owners definitely did that. The kitchen, it has a stove and microwave and fridge and all the necessary appliances that you would usually have in a kitchen. Now the apartment is being sold with or without the appliances. If you're interested in any of these appliances, you can definitely get them with a house. If not, it's without. You know, as you can see, it has this nice marbled countertop. And to this side here, this is like the dining area. You know, nice little cute little table and chair, you know, nice small intimate family. The fridge over here is a nice whirlpool. Let's see what's inside, like MTV Cribs. Nothing. But if you buy this apartment, you can stock it with whatever you want, you know. And as I said, the kitchen nice and big. I like a nice big kitchen where you can move around, you know, feel claustrophobic. You can just do whatever you want. If you want to have guests over, you can just sit down and talk and chill while somebody over there cooking, you know. And it's right across from the living room area, so somebody can be over in the couch while someone else is in the kitchen, you know. So let's just head over to the couch. And this is the living room area. A nice, big, spacious living room area again. Big enough for an L-sectional couch, or if you had a 3-piece couch, that could work. But of course, this couch and these furniture can be made available for you if you want it with the house. Now, one of my favorite pieces in here is this centerpiece. I absolutely love this. Love. One of my favorite pieces, you know. And as you can see, the whole place is big and wide. That is what I love the most, the big, wide and spaciousness of the place. Now this is the TV area, TV console. Very nice, very modern. Everything is hidden. All the cords are hidden, so nobody gets to see it. All the wire, you know, it's a wireless house, which I absolutely love. As you can see, the living room ceiling also has fans, and so does the kitchen, because the ceilings are high, so you know you need a good fan. Nice open and big windows all around to bring in that fresh breeze. Love it, love to see it. You know, you can always chill out by the window and just relax. You have a balcony in the living room area. So you come outside when you're ready and you just chill outside. And as you can see, the outside is nice and beautiful. And then we walk right back in. you know. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so we have 3 doors in front of us. Which one of them are we gonna go in first? Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Tell me. All right, we're gonna go over here first, right? And this is the one of 2 bedrooms. So this is not your master. So this is your second bedroom. Big and spacious as well, and white. You know what I love about this apartment is that they kept the color evened out right throughout the apartment. Everywhere is white and bright, and it make it feel bigger than it actually is because it's so white and bright. And then they also added a lot of mirrored things, like this closet area has the sliding door mirror, has a lot of storage at the top, and has storage to the sides. You know you can't run out of storage, you cannot. And then, as you can see, a bed area, we have this nice window panel that you can look out, you know, and they have these things that darkens the room. You know, if you want the privacy and you don't want the place to look so bright in the mornings when you just get up, you just roll them down. You know what I mean? The good thing about these units is that it has its ensuite bathroom. You know, both rooms have their bathroom, which again is nice and little and cute. You know, you have a little shower area. You go in here, you slide a door, and you turn on a shower. And you step out. And then you step out, and then you take up your towel from over here, you know, and you dry off also. Yeah. Nice little, not regular little toilet. And they kept the theme consistent with the grey cabinetry going on. And they have the brown marble top and a nice mirror. It has a nice diffused light going on, so you know, for us girls that want to wear makeup and such, the light is not too bright and too harsh, so you give it a nice even lighting and then lighting over the mirror as well. Right, so this is what this second room is looking like. And now we're gonna go into the main bedroom. Big and bright and spacious again. I just love the white, the bright, and the fact that it has a lot of storage and cabinetry and closet. And you know, oh no, we girls know, and for you gentlemen, you know how much we females like the space, so you know how it goes. Look. So on the inside is a nice sliding, so you know you have a section that you can put your sheets and your bedding and your linen and all of that over on this side if you choose, and then over on the other side, because there are 2 sides, you can always put your clothes. But if you are, let's say, a couple, you can have one side for his side and one side for the her side. You know what I mean? And you share it. If you're, let's say, a mom and you're sleeping with your child, one side for you, one side for your child, something in the middle. If you're a tech person like myself, what I would have done was to put maybe some shoes on the top shelf and then all my cameras on the bottom 2 shelves. You never know, but it works, right? And this is built in. Now, if you choose, you can get the bed in the apartment. You can get any one of the beds, both of the beds, all the furniture that's here, or you can take your own, right? Nice and cute. Look at that. Yeah. And then of course to this side there is the dresser and your nice flat screen television. Both rooms are equipped with air conditioning, so you're not gonna just hot and stay so, you know. And then it also has this fan in the high ceilings, which is always very good. This room has its own little teeny weeny balcony. It's a little small, but it's better than nothing. Let's go. It's just when you want a little breeze, you don't want a little breeze come in and you can go out a little bit. So you just come out on your balcony and look out and say, "Good morning, world!" Good morning, world! And then you just come back inside. Of course, as mentioned before, both rooms has its own bathroom. So this is the bathroom area. Very similar to the one we were in before. You know, when you come in and you beard and so, and you take out the towel over here, and you know, for people, some of us who have a lot of hair products too, you can always stack them on the top. You know, if you have a lot of commotion things, you just keep them on the hair. So, but no, I encourage you to try to be as clean and minimalistic as possible. It always look better that way, you know. So this is what the bathroom is looking like, you know. Yeah, and as mentioned before, the windows and doors have the ability to roll down. So you don't want the lights, you roll them down, all the way down. Darken the room a bit, set the mood. Yeah, and you turn off, let me turn off the light and set the mood. See, it's a lot darker, you know, you don't want all of that light. So just bring down, set the mood, and you relax. Alright, let's continue. So as we go back through the passageway, on the third door is the wash area that also has another half bathroom. There's no shower, hence the half. So it has the face basin and the toilet, and then over here has the area for you to wash. So it has your washer and your dryer and your washing sink. Again, of course, you can get the house without all of these appliances, as well as you can get it with. If you want it with the appliances, it is 36 million Jamaican dollars. If you want it without, it is 35 million Jamaican dollars. And that's the washroom for you. Alright guys, so right now we're back in the living, kitchen, and dining room area. So guys, I'll leave the contact details for the owners below, so definitely reach out to them if you believe this house is something you'd be interested in. I personally think it's a very good space. It's in a nice area, a nice community, upscale too, which is very close to the basic amenities, very close to the university, very close to the hospitals. You know, it's very central, and it's nice and bright and big and air flowing. It's a very nice space, something I personally would even consider. And you know, additionally, there's a pool area and a common area downstairs in this complex, and there's lots of parking. We know how much parking means for us in Kingston. It's much like the other busy town centers like New York or London. It's almost the same in Kingston, not quite, but almost. So having parking here is actually really good, and having a pool area, common area to your comfort in your own complex is also good. And key to note, the entire apartment is 1,200 square feet. So definitely, if you're interested, reach out to them. Their information is below. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.